Hey poultry farmers, today it's a good day, it's a great day, even though the environment doesn't look clean. And today it's a day we are going to do the cleaning of this environment. As you know, a dirty environment is a place where a lot of infections, I can say a lot of bacteria and a lot of viruses enjoy being in. And for us as poultry farmers, that's the number one enemy. And we don't need that. We need to get rid of that. And today is a day we are going to get rid of the playground of these viruses and fungal stuffs because the dirty environment, that's where viruses harbored. And today we are going to do the cleaning. Of course, I still have chickens around here and they'll be sleeping here. But the fact is that I need to do the cleaning, even though where they sleep, I know exactly where they sleep. So I'll put something there so that I don't have a problem with them the moment they'll be roaming around here. So guys, bear with me. Today we are going to do the cleaning. Of course, cleanliness is the first thing that you need to give to your chickens. You need a clean environment. Of course, you also need a ventilation. But this being our brooder, of course, it needs to be neat and clean. One of the best practices that I've put in place for me to maintain the healthy and the cleanliness of this project is first coming up with my masterpiece. Of course, I'll always consider this as my masterpiece. You know, everything that you do at first is always your masterpiece. So this is the best thing that I've done, and this later on the videos, the moment the chickens will be in, you'll be able to see the advantages and the value of this masterpiece. But today guys, we are not on that. Today we want to look at the cleanliness of this poultry. Of course the chickens will still warm around here, but at least we need to remove all these things because the other chickens, I'm sure today, not today, maybe tomorrow, other chickens will be slaughtered. Sorry guys, but we have to do this because, you know, in order for you to gain or maybe to move ahead, something some something something needs to die, including not just chickens, but including also our old habits, our old maybe way of doing poultry farming. Some of the stuffs, I mean maybe some of the practices, they need to be get rid of. So these, some of the chickens, of course, we're going to get rid of them. I'm really sorry guys for that because of course, we'll explain later on that. But today, part and parcel of the video of today is making sure this place looks adorable, this place looks nice. But today it's gonna be dusty. And today, I've geared myself with the gumboots. Of course, I needed this in order for me to clean up very well in this environment. And today, guys, let's just do the cleaning. We do the cleaning. The disinfecting of this place is going to be another day, but let's organize everything. Of course, I'm going to remove everything except this is going to be available. It's going to be around because I cannot remove it. You know, it's heavy. I'm going to have struggles to remove. That's why the first time when I was putting it in, I made sure I cleaned it first before putting it in. But today, let's do the cleaning of this environment, remove everything, then only choose those things that will be needed for us to use for our next project. So guys, let me find something for the mouth because it's going to be dusty. And also, maybe I can rotate it from here to here, then we start the whole work. So let's do the cleaning today and have this environment look like a masterpiece. So guys, I just want you guys to watch all the series that we've been doing the moment we started making these cages, including the other cage. Of course, the first cage I made is the metal cage, which is on the other side, and I made this masterpiece as well. So now let's do the cleaning. And I've seen like a lot of people watch my videos and not subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Just subscribe and turn on the notification bell and also give the video a thumbs up. Any other video that you might find on our channel, give it a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful for that. And guys, please subscribe, like the video, share the videos so that others also will be able to see and enjoy the masterwork that we do, so that if they want to duplicate it, they can duplicate it to their farm. So guys, let's start the cleaning, but let's gear up. Let's do it.
the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Oh yeah, early morning, hear the crow, yeah, the hustle never sleeps. Brewing heat, clean water, strong foundation that we keep from day old chicks we nurture. Watch them grow step by step, healthy flock, no stress. Every detail that we check, from the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan.
Hey guys, in case you don't know, this is like a small project that entitled me an amateur as a carpenter. This project, this car thing where chickens sit on, is the one that somebody entitled me to be an amateur. That's why you hear me on the other videos complaining to say after this project I'll be a professional. This is like a project, guys. Just imagine.
Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Break our ways, count the feed, every number gotta show. Fresh shavings, clear, that's the way lead bodies grows. And neighbors ask, what's your trick? I just smile and shake their hand. It's the care and the craft, turning passion into land. Stacking crates, loading hope, see the skyline in the dust. Family hands on the work, building futures out of trust. When the sun goes down slow, we still plying out the run, cause the bond and the book say the best is yet to come. Yeah. From the coop to the market, yeah, we rising every day. Little chicks to big birds, watch the profits on the way. Feeding right, doing smart, yeah, we farming with a plan. Poultry life, that's the grind, turning dreams into a brand. Hey, poultry life, poultry life.
A few moments later.
So here it is, guys, completely done, clean, smooth, looking smart, as you can see. So there's this part we need to make sure it is fixed, and also there's the other part which is a little bit that side needs to be fixed. But now I want to pour water inside, like everywhere. So I want to fetch some water, then I pour it inside so that it can expose where I need to fix. So let's pour some water inside here, guys, so that we see places that needs to be fixed. So that is it. Need water inside here to expose the places that will need attention. So we need to make sure this place is wet, like completely wet. That's what I need. So I'll need to wet the whole place, like the entire place. It needs to be wet. I think including also this area. I need it wet. Then after wet, of course, where the water will go, that's where most of the dirty will go. I'm failing to breathe well because water moves out dust. So let me just pour more water, guys. So I need the whole area to be wet. Wet. So you've seen this fridge. It's going to be part of the storage. I'll fix it behind. There's something that I'll put. I need to fix it. So I need to make sure I clean everything. So it's going to be cleaned. And let me show you the things that came out. So these are the things that came out. Look at those. We used to use charcoal there, and there's cement there. There's those crates where my chickens used to lay eggs in. So these all things. We'll just choose what we need, then we'll put them in. So guys, I think I'm done. Then I'll just pour water in. Then the next thing we're gonna do next time is disinfect. Actually, first thing first, like I said, I need to buy some bites so that I can kill. Yes. So I need to kill all the rats that are inside here. Then we are good to go. Then we spray and stuff like that. So guys, that's it for today. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the other video next time. And guys, we did the cleaning. After a few hours, this is what we came out with. Of course, you need to clean up. So my chickens eventually sleeps here. So here I'm going to put some boxes so that the chickens droppings will be dropping just down here. Yeah, of course, because we're going to remain with I think 4 or 3 chickens today. Okay guys, see you on the other video, and that's bye bye for me.